Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. My daughter is at an appointment that I brought her to, so I'm out in the parking lot waiting for her. She's got about another 30 minutes or so, and I figured I would utilize my time for the team and show you what I got in the mail for my LeEcho LePro3. So I knew I was coming here, so I grabbed this really quick because I was going to do it in the man cave, but I figured I was going to wait for a while, and I thought, well, this would be a great time to share what's in this package with all of you. By the title, you already know, this is RANCCO Type-C to 3.5 millimeter audio headphone stereo adapter connector. Two of them. USB 3.1/USB-C to 3.5 millimeter audio microphone female adapter. Okay, so basically, this is what is going to be inside this package. Now, when I got the LeEcho LePro3, there was one in the box, but I lost that little guy somewhere in the car or at home in the garage, my man cave, or I just can't find it. Okay, I'm the one to blame. I know it didn't get up and just walk away. No, it doesn't happen like that. I'm to blame. It is somewhere. I ordered these from RANCCO, and now that I ordered them, I bet I'll find that little guy somewhere, right? That's usually how it happens. Then I'll have 3 of them. Anyway, I got a male-to-male 3.5 millimeter jack, okay, in my car, connected to my car stereo, which I typically connect to my smartphone so I can listen to music or whatever, okay? Now, this doesn't work without that adapter on the LeEcho LePro3. I do have the headphones, the CDLA headphones that came with the LeEcho LePro3, so you can see that they connect right at the bottom like that, so I can listen to music, or if I'm watching a movie or a video or whatever, I can hear it through these little guys. Okay, and some of you are saying, well, what is CDLA? Well, I'm going to give you the terminology for what that is, okay, without trying to explain it and then screwing it up. What is CDLA? Continual Digital Lossless Audio, or CDLA, is a technology in which the USB port does the job of a headphone jack. Its audio processing chip, DAC, isn't needed now. It is taken out. On the other hand, you need a USB headphone with a dedicated converter chip built inside. A Type-C USB port can provide enough power for proper amplification of signals, or even keep active noise cancellation without the need for a separate power source for the headphone. Anyway, so everything you listen to through these guys is going to, or supposed to sound, a lot better than using the typical headphone jack with your headset. So they do sound great. They do sound, but I don't wear these accessories a lot. I don't. I do here and there, and when I do, I enjoy it. Okay, and they sound great. So anyway, but if I'm in the car and I want to use my LeEcho LePro3, I need one of those adapters. Presentation, that's nice. Magenta. Okay, I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to take this little pouch out. That's nice. And inside the pouch, there are 2 adapters. Okay? Nice. Okay. So what we want to do here is I'm going to take my male-to-male 3.5 millimeter jack and plug it in like that. Okay? It's a nice fit. And then we're going to adapt it to the LeEcho. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my music player, and I'm going to play a couple tunes through the stereo to make sure that this is working fine. I got to make sure I look over there and see if my daughter's coming out at some point. Got another about 15 minutes. Don't worry, I'm not going to talk for another 15 minutes. So, if you have these headphones on your LeEcho, let me, and you haven't lost them, and I'm surprised I haven't lost them, or they're not broken or something, Let me know what you think they sound like. Are they? Does it sound better than the typical headphone? That, you know, the headphone jacks with the regular setup. Do you think that these headphones and this type of technology makes a bigger difference? Let me know what you think, or do you not see a difference at all? Okay, so let me know. Let me pick this song. Okay. Okay, guess what? I was playing my CD. All this time I thought I was playing this. I got to go to auxiliary. Talk about a major fail. But I'm not going to edit that out because I am imperfect. So, let's do this again. I got it on auxiliary. I got everything connected here. And we're now going to play the music off the LeEcho LePro3. Okay. I'm going to turn that up. Excessively high volume may damage your ears is what it said on here. And I'm going to forward that a little bit. Woo! Everything works. It works just as great as my CD did. I like this tune. Are you awake? Because I am. Woo! RANCCO! RANCCO Type-C to 3.5 millimeter audio headphone stereo adapters. 2 of them for under $8. I will leave the link in the description down below if you want to order a couple extra. If you still have your little guy and it's not lost like mine is, as backup, check them out. Everything works fine. I'm glad I got it because, yeah. I like using my LeEcho. My LeEcho is awesome. Hopefully you watched my revisit on this device. Bam! Get it for $2.99. It is a must pickup. Even in the mix of devices we have right now at $2.99. Outside of what I know everybody has issues with is this skin, which I love. It's not an issue, man. You get used to it. You get used to that. You really do. You get used to it. Trust me. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. This is my Project 13. You are my Project 13. Peace. I am out. God bless.